Kaunti ma Siaya kokale bad migao mar puro kwayo jokanyo mawuok e piny India mondo tii gi jopur mag ochele ma Siaya mar bero kendo ting'o malo pur ma chal kamano. Kanolose log tich mare sama ne oromo gi jokanyo go, gavana ma Siaya James Orengo wacho ni giwinjore mar tiyo kanyakla kod jaket mwandu mawuok India ahinya to kaluwore kod lony mare mar puro ochele. Omedo ni kokalo riwruok ma kamano, kaunti ma Siaya nyalo chiwo atamalo 60 mag mchele mitiyo go pacho ka.
And hopefully we are going to translate this engagement into practical activity on the ground because we are told Siaya, together with the other lake region counties, have got the biggest potential for rice, and we could grow up to 60% of the rice required by Kenya as a nation.
And we want to go around the Siaya country and also the entire lake area wherever it is possible in the next 1.5 days to see really how we will be able to do something for the rice cultivation.
We have observed that Kenya is importing a lot of rice. By adopting our technology in Kenya, in future you need not to single grain should not be import.
We have a vast land, we have manpower, we have knowledge. Maybe what we may be lacking is technology. What we have been shown in the video has showed us that if we have technology in terms of mechanization, then we can do more than 10 times what we are trying to do here. What we are doing here in terms of rice production is just peanut, it's just for subsistence.
Doma Kisumu ochungo kuom kinde